stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now.
Hey guys, so we came down to our gravel pit today and we've had a lot of rain lately and it's just crazy flooded down here. Over there, that section of trees, one of our videos a while ago, there's like 8 foot deep kind of, I don't know, recesses in the ground over there. They're all underwater. Hey guys, it's TS O'Day from the future here. I'm going to pop in from time to time to narrate some highlights in the video. This is going to be feature length, so make yourself some popcorn or grab some coffee and enjoy. This is the actual road to get to where we usually drive, which is way up there. So we're just gonna try to drive through, and I don't know, maybe we'll need 4-wheel drive to get out, but that's no big deal. So here we go.
This is so scary. Okay.
Wow, it's deep.
Yeah. It's like a river, isn't it? Yeah.
Man, it's already about a foot deep right here. This is crazy.
I can see the ground from under here. You can't drive here. Can't stay there all night. It's gonna flood the fire out. If you stay there. Whoa.
Yeah, my exhaust is underwater.
This is scary. Can't back out here.
Yeah, it's too deep. Got water coming in the doors.
Is there water going in the door?
A little bit. Not too much.
Oh, it's so scary.
Yeah, we're in 4-wheel drive backing up, spinning right now. This is like right at the limit of what the Explorer wants to do. We brought the Pro Boat though. Let's see. I'm gonna either have to go somewhere else or come up with an alternate route. Let's see what we figure out. Yeah, so this pit's flooded like I've never seen it before. Usually we run, you know, over in there on that hill, and kind of way over there in the distance is our 2 main running places. And then on that tree line way over there is where we tried to come in earlier, but the road is just like, I don't know, it's probably 2.5 feet underwater, so we backed out of there, came clear around like 1.5 miles over to there, and now we've been hiking down there. There's Buddy Boy down there. This is like my 4th trip down this hill here. And try to zoom in. We've got our stuff staged down there. Got the Pro Boat Sprint Jet over on the far left. Red Cat Gen 8, Red Cat Gen 7, Red Cat Volcano, and vintage Traxxas Rustler. So it took us a little bit longer to get in there because usually we use the rig as a base, and we had to pack all our stuff down there, all our batteries and all that kind of stuff. So there's a creek down there, right there. That's usually never there. We just use that for rock crawling usually, just through the cutout where the creek sometimes flows. But yeah, we've had an insane amount of rain lately and this whole place is just flooded. So gonna be pretty fun.
That's cool. Okay, Dad, I got it with the stick. It's blowing away though, but I got it. Down there?
Yeah.
You want me to go get it?
No, it's too deep for you. This is one of our usual rock crawling and trailing areas. Yeah, I wanted to bring the Bandit out today because we got a break in the weather and test these brand new Proline trencher tires. The stock ones started getting tore up pretty quick, those little spike tires. So, gonna take that for a run while Buddy Boy's over there using the Pro Boat in this crazy flooded running area. This is another trailing spot that I've never seen water in before. Can you follow me? Back up now, go around. Yeah, try hitting that big rock with your tire. Put the tire on the big rock. There you go, see? Good job. So way over there is where we were trying to get through earlier. Here's the other part of the road. There's just a little island of it left out there that's not underwater. Gonna see how deep this is. Just follow me so you don't get sucked down the rapids right there, okay? Slow down, slow down. Is it? Can't catch me. Can't catch me. I don't want to drive it in the water too much. It's not good for it too much. Oh, okay. We probably better get going back anyway. Too deep. Come catch me. No. Yeah.
Stop.
Looks like it's not.
I'm trying to go stick. It's stuck.
Well, to anybody that made it this far, thanks a lot for watching and supporting. This is a pretty fun adventure. One of our usual running places all covered in water like this. We were able to drive the boat in a lot of different places where we would have never been able to otherwise, and just generally a pretty fun day. So, thanks for watching. Just because it's underwater.